Hi, my name is CHANDRA AKASH. I am from Mongol. I completed my B.TECH in the stream of Computer Science Engineering at King's College of Engineering, Mongol. I have been joined the Jspiders in the month of June, and I taken a course of Python with the data analyst. For Python, Krishna sir is teach very well. In SQL, he also sir is taken. And coming to this, PYSpiders are extremely good for mocks, sections, and GDs and presentations. But mocks can give more information about technical rounds and how to improve our communications. And with GD sections, we face the problems in lot of people. So we can give the conference and grooming sessions, how to get the conference and perform the interviews. Thank you for PYSpiders.